Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so I'm back out here at the park, as you can see, and I have my little tiny FrankenQuad back out here again. And as you can see, this thing has a different canopy now, new canopy. This canopy came from the CNC Matador, the X95S from CNC, a little brushed whoop, but it had this little canopy VTX camera combination and everything, and I took that and put it on this thing. Since the other FPV system wasn't working well, I figured I'd use this. I had to do some wiring and all to get the OSD and everything to work, but everything is working now. So I brought this thing out to try to fly some FPV, and it's FPV Friday, y'all. A little windy out here. Should be able to handle the window and all. So this VTX seems like it's a little smaller than the one that was in the B-Whoop FPV system. So should be a little boost in performance, a tiny boost. I'm not going to say it's going to be a big boost and all, but let's get this guy up in the air. Really curious to see how this thing does FPV. Let's get it. I'm going to just stand right here and fly at FPV. I remember when I first started, it was hard for me to stand up and fly. I'd tip over. So came a long way since then. Alright, so let's get it in the air. Okay, so we're in the air. Let's try a punch out on the acro. Do some FPV. A little staticky. So the signal is definitely not as strong as I thought it would be. Oh, and I banged out. Oops. Let me get up in the air before they run me over. Yeah, the VTX isn't that strong. 25 milliwatts, but it is horrible 25 milliwatts. Oh man, the VTX is down low. Let me try to bring it back in. Oh, it look like, let's try to take off again, see where we are. Okay, I was looking at the wrong thing, y'all. But the VTX really isn't that good though. Not really comfortable flying a far distance with it. I think I might swap out the VTX for maybe 200 milliwatts. Just flying some line of sight. I think the red canopy looks awesome. Let's try a little more FPV. I'll try to, we're at 3.2. 3.3, let's bring it back in. Swap it out. Swap out this battery. I do have another battery, a few other batteries actually. All it guys. FPV Friday. Want to sign out. Thanks for watching.